So in India, we have toilets, which are the Indian style toilet, where you have to sit like this. And the West people from America, from Europe, they come and say, "Oh, this is uncivilized. They don't have proper toilet." No, it's supposed to be like this because when you do it like this, you activate the inside muscles, which really need to properly clean your system. This is science. That is fashion. Oh, nice. Western toilet. No, that's why we eat with the fingers because it's all the prana, the energy, the life force is in the finger. And where Western people come talking, I have no, it's all gone. The prana. When you pick up the food and you put it in your mouth, you know the texture of the food. You feel it. Your mind connects with that. It connects with how hot it is, how heavy it is, and then you put it in your mouth, and it's activated with fire, air, earth, all the five elements. Okay, and you're putting it in your body. And the south of India is the most advanced. You know how they eat? They put the rice here and then they hold it for 2 seconds and then they eat it. And the West people say, "Ugh, what is he doing?" You know, but it's activating the food, it's energizing. Is that you never drink any drink, not even water, with your food. When you're eating your food, you don't drink any liquid because there is Agni. It's called fire in Ayurveda. And when you drink water, the fire to digest the food gone. Now the food will not digest. So you never drink water, you never drink beer, you don't have vodka, nothing. Half an hour before and half an hour afterwards. With the food, no. You don't stand up and drink water. You don't stand up and eat your food because it's the worst thing you can do for your health. It gives you so many different diseases. So, what we do if there is no chair and I have to drink water or I have to drink coffee, coffee is okay, one sip is fine. But if I have to drink water and there is no chair anywhere, oh, where do I sit? So, we just do like this and we sit like this and we drink. We never, ever drink water or eat food when you're standing.